I'll be just explaining you how to make the back cover and assembling the bouquet. You can use any type of flowers for making this keychain. So without wasting much time, let's begin.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, Your Crochet.
For the bouquet base, we are going to start with magic circle, chain 3 and 2 double crochets. So yarn over, insert, pull up, pull through 2, pull through 2. Again insert, pull up, we have 3 loops, pull through 2, pull through 2. Chain 1 and again 3 double crochets we are going to do. In the first set we did 2 double crochets and a chain 3. In the second we did 3 double crochets. Again we are going to repeat with 3 double crochets 2 more times. So chain 1 in between and 3 double crochets. Tighten the magic circle, chain 1 and slip stitch into the third chain of the first chain 3s that we made. Now for the second row, we are going to work again double crochets. So chain 3, this will be our first double crochet into the next stitch, double crochet on top of the next double crochet. In the chain 1 space, we are going to work the corner stitch. So double crochet, again a double crochet, 2 double crochets, chain 1 and a 2 double crochets. Again 2 double crochets. So this is a repetition for the corners and double crochets on top of double crochets. Again we reach the corner space, that is the chain 1 space. Here again we are going to work 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochets all into that chain 1 space. So we'll just repeat this. Double crochets on top of double crochets and corner in the chain 1 space. Slip stitch on top of the third chain. For the third round, again we are going to repeat the second row, that is double crochets on top of double crochets. So start with chain 3, double crochet on top of the next double crochets, again corner. So just repeat all around. Third row is just the repetition of second row. Only thing is the number of double crochets will increase. Make sure you're working on top of all the double crochets. Here I have reached the end of row 3. Slip stitch on top of the third chain of chain 3. Chain 1. For the fourth round we are going to work chain 1 and slip stitches. So insert, pull up, pull through. Chain 1 and slip stitch into each of the stitches. Just to give it a border, we are working chain 1 and slip stitches. Into the chain space also we are going to work a slip stitch. Now we are going to attach the keyring. Chain 1, again slip stitch into the same chain 1 space. Chain 1, into each stitch work the slip stitches. Slip stitch into the corner, again chain 1 and slip stitch into the same corner. So into the corner we will be working 2 slip stitches. So just repeat all around. Chain 1 and slip stitch. So just repeat all around. So here we have almost reached the end. While working this row, make sure you are not pulling your stitches too tight. You should work all the stitches lightly. Slip stitch on top of the chain 1 and the yarn to finish off. Just tighten the loose ends. So base is ready. Now we are going to attach the flowers. Our base is ready, leaves and flower is ready. We are just going to assemble it using hot glue. Here we have attached the flowers and the leaf. I will just tie the bow. So our bouquet keyring is ready. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. So until we meet with yet another project, take care, stay safe.